Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam error missing file privileges. So first, what you're going to do here is you have to simply close Steam completely and then open it again. Go to the search icon, look for Steam, run as administrator. So that's the very first step you should do. Tap run as administrator right here. Now, the second step to do is that check game file permission. Once you have opened your Steam right here, what you get to do is you have to simply look for settings, tap settings, and then this time you have to go to security and ensure your user account has full control. If not, click edit and adjust permissions. Next, verify game files. You have to go to settings or tap the game. Go to library, tap the game, and then right click on the game that is giving the error and select properties. Now go to install files and then click this verify integrity of game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files. Now, next here is disable antivirus firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall as they may block Steam from accessing game files. Next, reinstall the game. You can go to add or remove programs. Okay, so search for add or remove programs right here. And then this time, what you're going to do is search for Steam, uninstall, and then reinstall it again. The very last thing you should do here is repair Steam library folder. In Steam, go to settings, go to Steam library folders, or look for the repair library folders, and then tap it. And basically, that's how you easily fix Steam error missing file privileges. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.